Custom Ink tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use custom ink. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on custom ink, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is custom ink, it is an online platform that specializes in custom apparel and product printing, allowing individuals and groups, businesses to design and order personalized items with ease, in which the company is best known for its user-friendly interface design lab where customers can create custom t-shirts, hoodies, hats, drinkware, or promotional products using pre-made graphics, fonts, or their own uploaded designs. And Custom Ink also supports team fundraising and group ordering features, making it popular for schools, sports team, companies, and events. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or click the Get Started button right here. And upon doing so, you'll be directed on this page. However, in order to start creating first the product that you want, if you have a variety of options to choose from. You can choose either custom t-shirt, custom apparel, promotional products, and many more. For example, this t-shirt, we have here also a variety of options to choose from. But I'm going to click the sign in button on the top right and click create an account before we proceed to creating our own product design, where you can log in using your Google account, Facebook, or email address. I'm going to sign in using my Google account in here. After successfully signing in, you'll automatically be directed on this page. And now from here in our dashboard or homepage, we can also choose custom apparel promotional products that we want to design. And on those options, I'm going to simply click the start designing button below here, and I'm going to choose the t-shirt to design with. And in here, you could also upload your own design that you already customize using your Canva and any other platform. But by clicking the button start designing, you'll automatically be directed on a page where you can start designing the product in here. Example, how do you want to start? We have here to upload from our computer files, add an art, and many more. So in adding here an art, make sure to upload a high definition or HD quality of image or pixel. You could also add here a text, and in here I'm going to enter here a text instead of an image. And I'm going to enter, for example, your mental health is a priority. So basically, you can customize here all of the kind of text that you want to add. But this is my line in here, or text. It will show you on the right side panel what it looks like on a shirt. So I'm going to customize this or the arrangement of it. I'm going to make it like this one, and your will be on the top. Aside from that, on the left side panel of it, you could also customize to change the font size, font style, edit the color of it depending on your preferences. And by changing the font, all you need to do is simply select here the right font for your preferences. By clicking on it, it will show you the result. Now as you can see, it has now been changed. You can also change the color by selecting the color palette in here that you prefer. For example, this color green, red, blue, and many more. And those options, I'm just going to select here this red color, and after that on the left side panel of it, we could also choose to add art. For example, here I'm going to add here a sticker or emojis or these symbols. The symbol is cross, and I'm going to click on it, which is this one. It will automatically be added in our design, where you can customize or simply change the location of it right here. So it is basically what it looks like, as you can see. And I'm going to change the color of this cross into color black. Now as you can see, it is now changed. The next thing that we need to do also is we can add the kind of variations or product colors, available sizes, and any kind of variation that we prefer. And it will show us in here the result upon printing the text or the design that we just input. And by clicking here below the Get Price button, it will automatically shows us this option to buy and ship or start a fundraiser. I'm going to click buy and ship since, for example, we're selling this product. And all you need to do first is simply choose your order options under the shipping, sizes, and quantities, and even the payment option right here, and click continue to sizes. So from here, it will show you all of the variations or how many do you need of the products. For example, all you need to do is simply enter here the number or the quantity that you want or you want to purchase right here. It will also show you the corresponding sizes such as extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL, 4, and many more. You'd also add here some of the styles such as for women and many more. And even browse more styles right here. But upon selecting on it and clicking the button below, you'll automatically be directed on the page where all you need to do in here is to simply choose where do we send it, either international or US or Canada. For example, by choosing US or Canada, the sender here the zip code, and it will show you all of your inclusive price. But I'm choosing international in here. It will show you the pricing option. We have here international $12.19 each, which has 38 items, and the grand total of it is this one, $463.13 total after 59% volume discount. So now if you want to continue, just click save and continue designing button below. After doing so, it will show you that your design will be saved. So just enter here the name of the design and you can share it to your email and save your latest design and price for easy checkout. If you're not done, for example, I'm going to enter here the name of this design as health and click the save button below. Now it will show you it is now currently being sent or saved right here. You could also click the save button to proceed or enter a new name that you prefer. I'm going to click save button and close this one. Now if you go back to our homepage or to our account option of our custom ink, it will show us here the result of the design, and also below here it will show you all of the description, additional details about the specific product that we are selling, the special print areas, and many more. So basically this custom ink is important because it makes a personalized printing accessible, convenient, and impactful for both individuals and organizations. It provides an easy way for people to express creativity, celebrate milestones, and promote causes through customized apparel and products. And from here, as you can see, it will show you all of your order history under your account section, your design, and many more. And if you also want to sell your design, you can sell it, for example, on this website called Gumroad by simply uploading your own design in here. And you could also use Canva in order to create your own design depending on your preferences. So basically, this custom ink also valuable in building brand identity and visibility by offering a professional quality promotional items. Schools, nonprofits, and sports team benefit also from its fundraising and group order features, which simplify collecting payments and distributing products. It also emphasizing the high quality printing, reliable service, and community support that has been made trust resource for bringing personal ideas. And overall, that is just how you can use custom ink. Thank you.